So making any last little amends to your pose to make sure that you're as comfortable as you can be. I'm feeling now that the body is fully settled. As we take a short practice of Yoga Nidra to close this evening's class together. Nothing to do here, just to listen and just to let your awareness just follow my voice. So on the next exhale, following the length of that breath all the way out of the body and feeling the body meet the ground. And welcome home to yourself. And in this space, all of you is welcome. Every wonderful part of you welcome. You are worthy, you are precious, and you are so very welcome. And feeling the body against the warm ground beneath you. And just allowing the deep wish of the body to be felt by every cell within you. The deep wish of the body to rest. Back of the head and the ground. As you exhale, just release the weight of the head. Backs of the shoulders, arms and hands. As you exhale, release the weight into the ground. The left and right side of the back and the spine itself. As you exhale, release the weight into the ground. The back of the pelvis and the ground. As you exhale, release the weight of the pelvis. Backs of the legs, heels, feet and the toes. As you exhale, release the weight of the legs, feet and toes. And it's as if the ground is gathering you up. And welcoming you back into this warm bed that you've made for yourself on the earth. That each passing exhalation just allows you to sink more and more comfortably into this warm bed. And as you rest here, feeling comfortable and at ease, find the rhythm of the breath in the body. That natural, effortless rise and fall of the breath. And at the top of the next inhale, the awareness moves into the upper chest, and as you exhale, drop that awareness deep into the heart space. Space behind the breastbone, in front of the shoulder blades. And feel the vastness of your heart and the limitless store of love in this place. And we plant a little seed for our practice in this space. The seed of kindness. See it, name it. Feel that in your heart for a moment and imagine how it would be in your entire body to be welcomed by kindness, your entire being supported in kindness. How would that be? And And then from the heart, let the light of your awareness just move up through the body to the space above the crown of the head. And imagine in this space, like the tenderest of kisses, quality of kindness. And we take this quality and maybe almost the image or sense of the tenderest of kisses around the body. Seeing and sensing kindness in the space between the eyebrows, in the space between the collarbones, inside the right shoulder, the right elbow, the right wrist, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the right thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, right hand, thumb, and all of the fingers together, bathed in a quality of kindness. Inside the right wrist now, the right elbow, the right shoulder, and back to the tiny space between the collarbones. Over to the left shoulder, inside the left elbow, left wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, left hand thumb and all of the fingers on the left hand, bathed in the quality of kindness. Inside the left wrist now, left elbow, left shoulder, and the space between the collarbones. And down to the center of the upper chest. Dwell here for a moment. And move the light of your awareness inside the left rib cage, inside the right rib cage, back to the center of the ribs. Down through the body to the tiny space between the pubic bones. And then inside the right hip, right knee, right ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, first toe, second toe, third toe, little toe. Inside the right ankle, inside the right knee, right hip, space between the pubic bones. Inside the left hip, left knee, left ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, first toe, second toe, third toe, little toe. Inside the left ankle, left knee, left hip, tiny space between the pubic bones. Up through the body to the heart, center of the upper chest, tiny space between the collarbones, tiny space between the eyebrows and the crown of the head. And then imagining the whole of the right side of the body, the whole of the left side of the body, and the whole of the back of the body, back of the head, right shoulder, left shoulder, right elbow, left elbow, right wrist, left wrist, right side of the back, left side of the back, right buttock, left buttock, back of the right knee, left knee, right calf, left calf, right heel, left heel, and the whole of the front of the body. Toes, front of the ankles, front of the knees, front of the hips, center of the heart, fronts of the shoulders, the throat, the chin, the nose, the eyebrow center, and the crown of the head. The whole body lit by the light of your awareness, embracing the tender quality of kindness. And then allowing gravity to take a deeper hold on the physical form as you feel the weight of the body now as you exhale. And the weight of the body meeting the ground more fully. Body heavy, awakening a comfortable sense of a heavy body as you rest on the ground. And then in the weight of the body comes the lightness and freedom of the breath. Sensing a lightness through the body now as you breathe. Feeling the whole body light with the breath. And then how would it be to feel the full weight of the body held by the ground and the lightness of the breath at the same time? How would it be? And then letting all of the awareness just ride on the rhythm of your breathing. And imagining that each inhalation feeds the quality of kindness through your body into every cell. Every inhale fueling that deep-rooted support of kindness. An offering and a gift from the world around you. You are supported, you are held. You are cared for. And then at the top of your next inhalation, where the breath is full, the awareness moves into the heart again, and as you exhale, you drop the light of your awareness back into the heart. And just be in that space for a few moments. The awareness in the heart and the breath flowing free. Becoming aware of how that seed has grown through our practice, how it's taken root and cultivated. Having a deep sense of warmth and kindness towards yourself growing in the heart. And know that even as the practice comes towards its close, that quality resides and remains within you. Feel that now to be true throughout your entire body. This deep sense of kindness has been awakened and is alive within you. And imagining now that the breath is like a little light, a light of reawakening that welcomes you back from this state of rest into a more enlivened state. As you breathe in, it moves up through the toes, the legs, the pelvis, the torso, the fingers, the arms, the head. Exhaling, feel ready and willing to return to a more wakeful state, wiggling the fingers and the toes. As this practice of Yoga Nidra has come to a close. Hari Om Tat Sat.